Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 4. Yes, day number 4. I think this week 4. I think this week 5 or 6 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. Let's head up. Let's head up properly. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I can't believe that today is Thursday, the 9th of October, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And we're still on mensuration. That's the theme. Yesterday we looked at um adding areas. Today we're going to be looking at subtracting areas. Okay, subtracting areas. So when it comes to the different problems that we have, just think subtraction to find the area of some of these things. All right, so let's begin. So
Disable the chat. Can I please tell you something?
what happened?
I'm saying when you disable the chat, can I please type something to
Oh,
tell you though?
let me enable it. Yeah. So okay, so examples, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. So when it comes to subtracting area, we typically do that when we're trying to find the area of shaded regions. That's when we typically do that. So let's begin. So we're gonna draw the shape. And let's say we have let's say I have a rectangle. So first we're gonna draw this rectangle like so. Like this. And let me shape it good. So say we have this rectangle, and inside this rectangle, we have this triangle here. And let's say that this triangle, let's put this in white so I could see it. And let's outline it. Good. Yeah, so we increase this a bit, tad bit, so it would be able to cover it. Only other thing that I could do is lighten that. Good. All right, so let's go ahead and put some numbers on this thing. So let's say that this is 6 centimeters. Let's say that this is the units for this one. So this side is 6 centimeters. Let's say that this side is, let's say that this side is 7 centimeters. right? And let's say that at the bottom here is 5 centimeters. Oh, let's put this triangle closer to the edge, so it's like starting from here. And then that's all we need. Oh, one more thing. Let's put this 8 centimeters here. Let's make this 8 centimeters. So they did say find the area of the shaded region. And what we mean is we're talking about the blue part. So the blue part is the shaded region. All right. So that's very important. Now, so let me shade it in with red so y'all could actually see it. So inside of your books, you could just shade it in like this. Okay. So
I just gonna use a pencil to shade it in.
yeah, you could shade it in as well like that. Or you could just draw these lines. Either way, you just want to show that this is the shaded part. And so that's how we're gonna draw. So we're gonna shade all this in. So this is the shaded region right there. Kind of look like candy, but it's not candy, it's a shaded region. So good. All right. One last thing is this 5 refers to this portion right here, only the triangle. That's what the 5 refers to. Okay. So that should be helpful. I think I drew this too big. Yeah, I drew it too big. Okay, let's go ahead and actually do it, right? So in order for us to find the area of the shaded region, can anyone tell me what I need to do? What I need to do to find the area of the shaded region? It's in the topic. That's a hint.
Subtract.
Subtract, very good. Subtract. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the area of the rectangle. So here's the basic thing that we're gonna be doing, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the area of the whole entire rectangle. So this is like the idea, right? So let's say we have this figure, right? So we have this figure, this space, right? This is our rectangle. Let me use blue so you can actually see what happened. So this is our rectangle there, right? And this rectangle is this particular, like this is the area of the rectangle, because when you find the area of the rectangle, you find the area.
Mr. Hickey.
Good day. When we find the area of the rectangle, we find the area, finding the area of this entire thing, right? But we don't want, good afternoon. We don't want the area of the rectangle, the full rectangle. We want the area of, we want the area of just the blue part. So just the part on the outside. So basically, we just want the area of this part. So let me color that in. So we just want the area of this part right there, these on the outside, right? So if we just want the area of the outside, the trick is that what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove or you're gonna pull out the triangle. So if I pull out the triangle, what will I be left with? Just what? Just
the remaining area.
Yeah, just the remaining sides. So that's why we're gonna find the area of the rectangle, find the area of the triangle, and subtract it, or pull out the area of the triangle from the area of the whole rectangle. So that's why we subtract. All right. So like you pulling that out. That's the idea. All right. Make sense? And so whenever you're doing area of a shaded region, you always think subtraction first. All right? So if that's the case, then we know exactly how to do this, right? So let's go ahead and find the area of, let me, I don't want to take all the space because I didn't draw this thing too big. So I'm gonna put this right there. I don't wanna, yeah, let's use that. So let's go ahead and find the area of the rectangle. So class, what's the formula for area of rectangle? Area,
Length times width.
very good. 9 times width. So area of rectangle is going to be equal to the length multiplied by width. So length, so length of this thing multiplied by width. Notice that I always state the formula so I wouldn't forget it. Okay. Now, what is the length of this rectangle? Anyone can answer. The length is what?
The length,
Is it
length is
6
6
centimeters?
No, the length is not 6. The length.
It's 5.
7?
The length is not
7,
5. The length is not 5. The length is
7?
7. Thank you. The length is 7.
7.
7. Very good. 7 centimeters. 5 refers to the triangle only. We don't worry about that. We ain't dealing with the triangle now. All right, now we have the width. Okay. Yes, Patrick, do this. Do this with us, and then I can send you the stuff that you need afterwards. Okay. And so now, so 7 times. What is the width? The width is 6 centimeters. And so we have 7 multiplied by 6, which gives us what? 7 multiplied by 6, which gives us what?
42.
42. Very good. 42 what?
Centimeters squared.
Centimeters squared. Very good. So that's how we find the area of the rectangle. Is everyone good with this? Let me know, please. If everyone got that part.
Can you explain it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He said, explain it again. So the length of the rectangle is this, right? That's the length of the rectangle. The width of the rectangle is that. So you do 7 multiplied by 6, which gives you 42. Okay. Now let's do the area of what? We need to find the area of what? Area
The triangle.
of the triangle. Very good. Move space. So how many to find the area of the triangle? Area of triangle. So the area of the triangle, what's the formula for the area of a triangle? The formula is what?
Base times height.
Base times height divided by what?
By 2.
Divided by 2. Very good. So base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Good. What is the base?
5.
The base is 5. Very good. The base is 5. This is the base. The base is 5. So it's going to be 5 centimeters. What is the height?
6 centimeters.
8
Say it-
centimeters.
8?
8 centimeters.
8? You think the height is 8?
6 centimeters.
Think the height is 6?
No, sir.
Think the height is 6?
No, yes, sir.
It is 6. It is 6.
It's 6? Okay. How you got 6?
Because the triangle and the rectangle is the same.
Very good. So the rectangle
Width?
is, the rectangle is 6 centimeters here. So we know that this is 6 centimeters. So that means that this one must also be 6 centimeters, right? So that means that, let's put that there. That means that this is also 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. So that means that the height, therefore, is 6 centimeters. This is the height. Oh, I can't see that. So it's a different color. So the height is 6 centimeters. So the base is 5, the height is 6. Why don't we use 8? What's the problem with 8?
Because that's the hypotenuse, and it's on the opposite side of the right.
Very good. It's on 8 is on the opposite side of the right angle. 8 is on the opposite side of the right angle. So that means that it's the hypotenuse, it's not the base. It's the longer side. So the base is 5 and the height is 6. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's gonna be 6 centimeters. And so we divide it by 2. It's gonna be equal to what? It's 5 times
30
6 is what?
centimeters.
Very good.
30.
30 centimeters what? Centimeters
Squared.
squared. Very good. All over 2, which is gonna be equal to what?
15.
Centimeters
Fif-
squared. Centimeters squared.
Very good. 15 centimeters squared. 15 centimeters squared. 15. 15 centimeters squared. So that's how we find the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, once again, base times height. The base is 5. The height is 6 centimeters. So we do base times height, which is 5 centimeters times 6 centimeters. We divide it by 2. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 centimeters squared divided by 2, which is 15 centimeters squared. Now, we haven't found the area of the shaded region. How are we going to find the area of the shaded region now? What are we going to do? Say it again.
We're gonna subtract 42 from 15.
Very good. We're going to subtract the two areas. Okay, so we're going to get it. So the area of the shaded regions, area of shaded region so the area of shaded region is gonna be, yes, Amari?
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, we can. So the area of shaded region is gonna be equal to what? 42 centimeters squared minus what? 15
15 centimeters squared.
centimeters squared. What do I get when you subtract them?
27 centimeters square.
27 meters square. 77.
Say it again.
27 centimeters square.
Very good. 27 centimeters squared. So the answer for this one is 27 centimeters squared. So it's going to be equal to 27 centimeters squared. Can you all see the bottom there or no? I don't know. Some people can't.
That's all.
You can see the bottom. You can't see the bottom?
No.
Okay. All right, so maybe you could see it now. All right, so do we understand this so far? Let me know if you understand this so far.
I believe.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You do? Okay. Yes, Brian.
Yes, sir.
I got 42.
Oh, how about you got 42? Okay. So I got 42 because I did 6 times 7. 7 times 6, that's how I got 42. Okay. So that's how I got that. Okay, so that's no problem. Let's do another one. So let's do another one. So let's say we have another one where we put it on the top side. So let's say it's let me put say we have this shape, say, right, and let's use a green, and let's say we have a right triangle as well. So let's put this here. So I want you all to draw this as well. Put this on the side. Put this on the side. So it's gonna be pull this on that right there. I like that. Good. And let's do some more. Let me call this white. Let's make this white. Let's make this white. J-fill white. Good. All right, good. So let's go ahead and start labeling these things. So we have just slightly down. So let's say that our top is 8 meters. So remember, I changed it from centimeters to meters. So just make a note of that. Let's say that this is 9 meters. Let's say that this is 6 meters. So we're gonna go from here to here. Let's say that this is also, well, if this is 9 meters, then this is also gonna be 9 meters. And let's say that the inside is 12 meters. While we at it, what would this side be? The same side of that. What would this side be right now?
9 meters.
9 meters as well. So let's put that 9 meters. Okay, so we have to find out the area of the shaded region, which is the area of the part in green, which I'm gonna shade with I'm gonna put it in red. So this is the shaded region. So inside of your book, you could do the strokes, or you could just like literally shade it if you want. Either one is good. Right? Which one y'all doing? Y'all doing the strokes or y'all shading them?
I did the
You did the strokes? Anyone else? How did y'all show the shaded in part?
I did the strokes.
Did the strokes?
The strokes.
Did the strokes, okay.
I doing the shade and I using that.
You doing the shading? Okay. Anyone doing it in color? Some people might have like a color pencil or something like that.
Oh, no, I didn't color.
Yeah. Okay, so cool. So we want to find the area of the shaded region. What operation will we use? Addition or subtraction? How are we gonna find it? We're gonna do what? Subtract. Very good. Yeah, you're gonna subtract. Very good. Good. So if you know how to do it, you can put your answer inside the chat, but we're gonna do it step by step, right? So Jamari Evans, where's Jamari?
Yes, sir.
Good. What's the area of a rectangle? The formula.
The formula of a rectangle is length times width.
Very good. So area of a rectangle. It's gonna be equal to length times width. Length multiplied by width. Where's Joshua? Joshua Smith, are you there? Length multiplied by width Joshua Smith, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the length of the rectangle in this question?
Eight centimeters.
The length, the length. Remember, the length is longer side. 1 second. All right. Can you all stop the reactions, please? Stop that. Whoever is doing the reaction, stop that. That's distracting. Go ahead, Joshua. What is the length? The length of this rectangle?
9 meters.
9 meters, very good. And what is the width? Joshua, what is the width? So the length is 9. What is the width?
6 meters.
No. 6 is for the triangle. So the length is 9, we know that. That's the longest side. The width is of the rectangle now. It's gonna be what?
8 meters.
8 meters, very good. 8 meters. So altogether, we have 9 meters times 8 meters in class. What is that? 9 meters times 8 is gonna be what?
72 meters square.
Very good, 72 meters squared. Okay. So that's the area of the rectangle. Do we understand that? Before I move on to the next one. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
the area of the rectangle. Now we're gonna do area of the triangle. So area of triangle. Where's Isis? Isis, can you hear me? Area of the triangle.
Yes, sir.
What's the formula for area of the triangle?
Base times height
Base times height divided by what?
by 2.
Very good. Base times height. So base times height divided by 2. Carly C, where's Carly C?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the base in this question?
The base is 5.
Base is 5?
I mean, the base is 6. I look at the wrong one.
The wrong one, okay. The base is 6 meters. And what is the height?
The height is 9.
Height is 9
Meters.
meters. Very good. Oh, I forgot to put the right angle triangle thing down. So it is a right angle triangle. Very good. So the base is 6 and the height is 9 meters. And we have to divide that by 2. Okay, so what is 6 times 9? Anyone can answer this one? I guess that's what. 6 times 9 is what?
54.
54.
Very good. 54 meters what? 54
Squared.
meters squared.
Squared.
Very good. 54 meters. Divided by what? Divided by 2. Very good. Which equals, what is 54 divided by 2? That's what?
27 centimeters squared.
27.
Very good.
Meters
20,
squared.
27 meters squared. Very good. 27 meters squared. Cool. So that's the area of the triangle. That's how we get that. Leandre, where's Leandre? Or Leandrea, sorry. Leandrea, are you there? Where's she? Kiana from Livingston Grant. Where's
Yes,
Livingston?
sir.
Quickly recap how we got the area of the triangle.
You use the formula base times height divided by 2. The base is 6 meters and the height is 9 meters. That gives you 54 meters squared divided by 2. That's 27 meters.
Very good. Meters squared, right?
Yes, sir.
So area of the shaded region. Now, class, how are we gonna find the area of the shaded region? What are we gonna do?
Subtract.
Subtract. We know subtracting, what y'all get. Some people might already subtracted it. If you already subtracted it, let me know. So
We
you
have 45 meters squared.
45.
45 meters squared.
Okay. So we're gonna do 72. 72 meters squared minus 27 meters squared. Is equal to what? 72 minus 27 is what?
45.
45 meters squared. All right, good. Any questions on this? Let me know, please. So that means that, right? What that means is that this area, the area of the red part now, the area of the red part, that's what is 45 meters squared. So in each case, we found the area of the red part, the area of the shaded region. All right, and we get that by subtracting the two areas. Okay. Do you all understand this? Let me know, please. Do you all understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. So what I want you to do now is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp before we move on to another one. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay? Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Okay, so everyone should be doing that. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. I need everyone to do that. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to do a grade exercise. So with the grade exercise, I'm gonna put the work on the screen and I want everyone to do it on their own. And then we're gonna do it together after that, right? So but again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. So we could move on from this. So let's move on to the grade exercise. Now for the grade exercise, you'll have to be careful because I'm gonna put up like a bonus. So you just have to think about it a little bit more, right? So grade exercise number 1. So we have the instructions is to find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Good. So let's go ahead and draw these figures. So the first one I'm going to draw is this one. This is number 1. So write this down for me. Everyone should be doing this on their own, by the way. Do it on your own. So this is going to be that. And it's going to be that. So this is number 1, right? So with number 1, and then, yeah, so with number 1, we have And then we need a triangle inside. Say somewhere. Say white fill. Good. So with this one, let's say that the bottom is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Let's go from this side to this side. Let's say that this total thing is 10 centimeters. Total thing is 10 centimeters. Let's say that this side is 8 centimeters. This side is 12. Can't use that. Let's use a different color like black. 12 centimeters. And let's say that this is 8. 8 centimeters. And the goal is to find the area of the blue part. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So this is gonna be on this side. Class, if this is 8 centimeters, right? What would this side be? If this is 8, what would this side be?
8 centimeters.
Very good. It would also be 8 centimeters as well. And this is number 1. Good, cool. So, okay, let me shade it. It's gonna be shade this, shade all this. Okay, that's number 1. Y'all could go ahead and do that. Let's also write number 2. Do it on your own. And then once you finish with it, take a picture of it and send me through WhatsApp and we can correct it together as a class. So this is gonna be this side. So this is gonna be here. And this is down. It's on the side. Put us in the middle more so. Yeah, so let's go this over. Yeah, so we have let's say that this is 4 meters. Notice that I changed it from meters to centimeters, from centimeters to meters. So just make a note of that. Like, especially when you're writing your answers, like it's in meters squared, not in centimeters squared. Okay. 9 meters. Yes, Joe, I like it that you see the examples. Let me just finish this. 11 meters. And this is 9 meters. And this is 13 meters. 13 meters. And this is 9 meters as well. Okay. Okay, cool. So all right, so that's number 2. Let me go ahead and shade this in. So this whole part is going to be shaded. Now I haven't posted the videos from this week is yet on my YouTube channel. But I will post them. All right. So if you might be looking for like,
Congrats on 1K.
yeah, you might be looking for, say it again.
I said congrats on 1K.
Yeah. Thank you. But you may be looking at you might be looking for the videos on YouTube. It's not on YouTube yet. I haven't posted the videos for the speakers yet, but I will definitely do it. All the videos for this class I will post. So just stay tuned. All right, and then that's number one, that's number two, and that's number three. I think yesterday was I might have to do two parts because we had an interruption, so I think I have to post two videos because it like stopped in between. Now for the final one. That's the final one. You have to pay close attention to this one. So don't let this one get the best of you, right? So just think about it, think through it. And you should do well at that. So
We build different.
say it again.
We build different. We can get these things. Good. Agree.
Good. Okay, good. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like the confidence. Also, let's say that and say that. This is here, and let's say this is on this side. You know what? No, let me not do it like that. Let me do it like this. Good. And let's say that this is white, shape outline, and good. And let me just put along one inside here. Good. And let's say that this is there. Then I'll weight it like that. Good. All right, good. So now let's put the numbers on this thing. So we have we have so this full thing is 10 meters.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
You said, yeah.
I just joined, so I kind of lost.
Who's that?
Nakisha.
No problem. I will go to the notes that we did, and I'll let you take a screenshot so you can follow that, right?
Thank you.
No problem. So 10 centimeters. And then this is 12 centimeters. Yes. 12 centimeters. I said that this is also 12 centimeters. And let's say that this is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. So this is also 10. This is by the way, right angle triangles, 10 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. And this is 10 centimeters. All right, so yeah, so this is number 3. So good. All right, so I think we good. So okay, so Let me go back to the examples for somebody, for Joel and Nikisha to take a picture. So quickly take a screenshot. This is the two examples that we did. So what we did is we are subtracting areas. So we first found the area of the rectangle, then we found the area of the triangle, then we subtract the two. That's how we find the area of the shaded region. Same thing with this one. We find the area of the rectangle, then we find the area of the triangle, then we subtract two to get the area of the shaded region. All right, so take a picture of that, and that should be able to help you with answering the questions. Okay, let me know if y'all get it, so I can move.
I got it.
Good. Okay, so those are the questions. Okay. Good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, you could go back so I could get I forget the measurement on the triangle.
No problem. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Problem. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. Acacia, what number you on?
I'm finished.
You finish? You finish? With all three?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take a picture of it and send it to me. Albert Rocks, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 2?
3.
Number 3, okay. Amari King, what number you on?
Number 3.
Okay. And Asia Charlo, what number you on?
I'm finished.
Finish as well. Good. And once you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me, please. Rianne Johnson, what number you on?
3.
Number 3, good. Renee Sweeting, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, good. Bernice. Brianne Clark, what number you on?
2.
Oh, number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Chai, what number you on? Chai, what number you on?
Number 4.
Okay. All right, good. China, what number you on?
I'm done.
You're done as well, good. Cleveland, what number you on?
2.
2, okay. Cordell Prod, what number you on? Cordell Prod, what number you on? Kiana from County Cordell. Cristiano, what number you on?
And the last one, number 3.
Okay. And Courtney Ramsey, what number you on? Cristiano, what number you on? Okay. Kiana from Daria, what number you on? Daria, what number you on? It's Daria. Daria, can you hear me?
I on the last one.
Okay. Anyone else finished? Is there anyone else who's finished?
I'm done.
One person? Anyone else
I'm done.
finished?
Finished.
I'm finished.
Me too.
Finish? Finish? Okay, good.
I'm done.
Okay, good.
Finish.
Finish, good. All right. All right, let's do the first one. Any volunteers for number 1? Wanna do number 1? Any volunteers for number 1? Or maybe let me select someone. So for number 1, Davinique, help me with number 1.
Number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Like, explain it.
Yeah. So we have defined the area of the triangle.
Okay.
Area of the triangle.
So what's
Area of the triangle.
not triangles, the rectangle first. Let's do rectangle first.
Oh, the rectangle first. You gotta do 10 times 8.
Hmm?
10 times 8, 80 for the 80 centimeters squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then the triangle is 8 times 5 centimeters.
So we're gonna do the triangle now. So the triangle is base times height divided by 2, right?
Which is 4.
So base times height. Base times height divided by 2, which is equal to
8 times 5 divided.
Mm-hmm. 5 centimeters is the base and the height is 8 centimeters.
Centimeters is the base and the height is 8 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's gonna be
20 centimeters.
20 centimeters squared divided by,
And then we still have to.
which is gonna be what? 20 centimeters squared, right? But are we done?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Good.
We still have to subtract.
Mm-hmm. So we have to subtract. So it's
80
gonna
minus 20.
yeah. So area. So we're gonna take the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle and subtract it. So the area of the shaded region is gonna be equal to 80 centimeters squared minus 20 centimeters squared. So area is gonna be equal to what?
60 centimeters squared.
Very good, 60 centimeters squared. Anyone got 60 centimeters squared for number one? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
60 centimeters squared for number one. Anyone else? 60 centimeters squared for number one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
I got 60 centimeters squared.
Very good.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
How did you get the 20?
I got a 20 because I did 40 divided by 2. Right out. You see that? 40 divided by 2 is 20. That's how I got the, because first I did 5 times 8, which gave me 40. I did 40 divided by 2, which is 20. That's how I got that. Okay, are we good? Let me know for this one. Now let's go on to the second one. Number 2, who's gonna help me with number 2? Any volunteers for number 2? Any volunteers for number 2? Let's go with
Yeah. I could do it.
who's that?
Amari.
Okay, let's go. So we have so for this one I'm gonna put the work in on this side. So go ahead, Amari.
9 times width, which is 11 times 9.
Very good. 11 meters divided by 9 meters. Which is what?
99 meters squared.
Very good. 99 meters squared. Good. What else?
The area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. And the base is 4
That's correct.
times 9.
Yeah, so the base is 4, that's the bottom. And
the height is 9.
And height is 9. Very good. So 4 times 9. All over.
Got it. 2.
36.
That equals 36 divided by 2, which is equal to 18 meters squared.
Very good. 36 meters squared divided by 2, which gives you what?
18 meters squared.
Very good. 18 meters squared. Are we done?
No, sir.
Okay, what we have to do now?
The total area, which is 99 minus 18. It equals 81 meters squared.
You subtract them. Very good. Thank you, Mari. So we have 99 meters squared minus 18 meters squared. And so area is going to be equal to 99 minus 18. 99 minus 18 is 81 meters squared. 81 meters squared. All right. Anyone else got 81 meters squared on the second one? Anyone else got it?
I did.
Okay. All right. All right. Now number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Y'all scared of number 3? What happened?
I could volunteer for number.
You want volunteer? You want volunteer for number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, what y'all got? What y'all answers for number 3? Let's start with that.
I have 50 centimeters squared.
50 centimeters squared.
50 is your
I
final
get
answer?
40.
I get 75.
50
I got
centimeters
40.
squared.
I got 50.
I get 40 centimeters squared.
40.
Me
40.
too, I have 40.
40. Okay.
50.
50. Okay. All right. So it's conflicting answers. Jabron, you say you want to do it?
I don't mind doing it.
Okay. All right. So let's start with the area of the rectangle, right?
Okay, so for the area of the rectangle, it is length times width. And the length is 10 and the width is 10.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 10 times 10.
Mm-hmm.
So at 10 times 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters equals 100 centimeters squared.
Very good. So 10 centimeters multiplied by 10 centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is going to be equal to, oh, I didn't even do the shady part of this. My bad. So it's going to be what? 100 what? Centimeters.
100 centimeters squared.
Very
Then
good.
that's for the area of the rectangle.
Very good.
For the area of the triangle, it's base times height divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
So the base is 10.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. And the height is 10.
So that's how you did it? Or did anyone do it? Did anyone do half, like 2 triangles?
I did.
I did.
You did the 2 triangles. Okay. You could do it both ways. You could look at it as 2 triangles because this is 1 triangle. You could find that area, and you could find that area, and then you could add them. Or you could do what Jabron is doing and say, okay, well, this is 1 triangle, and so we have the height. So we're just gonna do this base, this flat base, times this height because we have the perpendicular height. Okay, so both ways are fine. I'm gonna use this way and do 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters gives us what? All over what? 2. So the area is gonna,
100 centimeters.
so the area is gonna be what? 100 centimeters. Very good. Divided by what? Divided by 2. Very good. Divided by 2. And so what is 100 centimeters divided by 2? It's gonna be what?
50 centimeters squared.
50 centimeters squared, right? If you did it the half triangle way, you would get that this is 25 and this is 25. So when you add them together, it will be 50. So it's the same thing, right? For those who did it the half triangle way. So what's our final answer now? What are we gonna do now? We're gonna say that the area of the shaded region is what? Jabron?
Pardon me? Sorry.
The area of the shaded region is gonna be what? 100 centimeters minus what?
50 centimeters squared.
Which gives us what?
50 centimeters squared.
Which gives us 50 centimeters squared. Very good. So the area is 50 centimeters squared. Did anyone else get 50 centimeters squared? I heard some people said that earlier.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I did.
Very good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
3 out of 3. Anyone got all right? 3 out of 3. All right.
I did.
I got three.
Me.
Three.
I did.
I did.
Very good. Anyone got one wrong? Just one wrong.
Just one wrong.
I
I
can't do
did.
it.
And did. Okay, good. All right. So if you haven't finished it yet, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you haven't done that as yet, again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right, there's one more thing I need to show you all before I give you all the quiz. One more thing that I need to show you all before I give you all the quiz. So, it's very similar
Excuse
to
me, Mr. Petit, I wasn't finished.
it wasn't finished. Okay. So it's very similar to it's very similar to what we just did. Very similar to what we just did. I'm gonna show you it right now. Again, you don't have to write it, but I just want to show you all it. And then we can do the quiz. Okay, are y'all done with this slide before I move? You know,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So it's
I got all right.
you got all right? Even that's good.
Yes, sir.
That's good. All right, so let's move on from that. So what we have here is, let me just show you all it. So again, you do not have to write this down. I just want to show you all it on this example. Okay.
Miss Petit, notes, please.
Say it again.
Go back to the notes, please.
This one or the original notes?
The original note.
This one. So basically for this one, all we did was we found the area of the rectangle first. Then we found the area of the triangle, right? Then we subtract two areas. Again, we found the area of the rectangle, we find the area of the triangle, and then we subtract the two areas. That's how we did that. All right, so that's
Okay, thank you.
good. So let me show you all this, right? So this is what I want to show you. So again, this is when we're dealing with a non-right angle triangle. So basically, I don't know why I put a right angle there, but this is not supposed to be a right angle. So basically, we have to use this length. So if this is 12 centimeters, right? And this is 14, this is 14. We find the area of the triangle first, which is going to be 12 centimeters times 11, because 12 is the length, 11 is the width, right? Then after that, we're going to find the area of the triangle. I see I have a little triangle sign there. Base times height over 2. 12 centimeters times 11 centimeters. 12 because 12 is the base. 11 because 11 is the height. All right. That's the perpendicular height. Okay. Oh, I see why I have it there. Just the perpendicular height, right? So this is when you don't have a right angle triangle. Like you could also do it like this. So 12 centimeters. And then this length is the height. So it's going to be 12 times 11 divided by 2, which gives us 66. So we get 132 minus 66, which gives us 66. So that's how we do something like that, where like it's is not a right angle triangle. Okay. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know. Does that make sense before we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
And I'm just still shaking up about.
Good. So I think we're ready for the little quiz that we're gonna do. So this is an easy quiz because it's only out of, guess how much is out of, guess.
10,
12.
12,
20.
20, wow.
16.
16?
15.
15? Nope. Someone said it already.
12.
Eight,
5.
It's
10.
it's only out of 10.
10.
Yeah, it's only out of 10. All right. So once you started, put started inside the chat. Again, once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat. The quiz is already there. Once you start the quiz, put started in the chat, which means that you only could get one wrong. You ain't getting none. That's the lowest you get. It's one wrong. If you get more than one wrong, then you're gonna have to redo it because it's out of 10. So, and each one is for 2 marks. So you have to be very careful with these. All right. Where's Ajani? Ajani, are you there? Okay, so let's make sure you're doing the quiz now. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Again, once you started the
Mr.
quiz,
Petit, can you send it one more time, please?
I could do that. So this is
Thank
quiz
you.
number 1. No problem. So again, everyone should be doing the quiz. Rashid, what number you want on the quiz? Rashid, where's Rashid? Very good.
Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
Very good, Amari. 10 out of 10. Excellent job. That's the first 10 out of 10. Very good, Malaya. Lockhart, 10 out of 10 as well. Very good. That's the second 10 out of 10. Very good, Jarvis. Very good, China. Another 10 out of 10. Very good, y'all. Very good. All right. Again, once you finish with the quiz, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Very good, Albert Rocks, 10 out of 10. Very good. Excellent job. All right, let's look at this. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All right, Patrick, Chai, Latavia, Rashadane, China, Sharanik, and company. Y'all please make sure you go ahead and do what I sent you. Very good, Nalia, Store. Very good, Khadija. Very good, Dominic. Very good, Natasha, Charlton. Very good, Rashadane. Very good, Marissa. Very good, Cleveland. Very good, Brene. Very good, Nikisha. Very good, Ranika. Very good, Dion. Very good, Cleveland. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Jabron. Everyone who I mentioned, their names, they got 100. That is amazing. I was doing pretty well on this.
I ended up pressing some blue thing on the screen, caused it to reset my thing, so I had to redo it.
I still got it the first time. Yeah. Gracia, very good. Acacia, very good. D'Angelo Taylor, very good. Asia, please redo your quiz. Timothy Forbes, very good. Tyler Umberster, very good.
Mr. Petit,
Yes.
you just said 11, 12, 13, and 14 yesterday.
That's wrong. Okay. You're right. I almost certain I sent the right thing. Okay. You're right. Remove that. Oh gosh. Okay, so okay, I sent the right thing now. That should be it. All right. Tyler, very good. Timothy, very good. Joel, very good. Very good, y'all. Latavia, very good. Samaya, very good. Good, y'all. Shika, very good. Rashid, please redo your quiz. All right. Rashid, make sure we do your quiz for me. Malaya, very good. I need everyone to do the quiz, please. Some people are not doing the quiz. Brianna Clark, very good. Okay.
Mr. Petit, we have to
Yes,
send you the result or you gonna see it regardless?
I will see regardless, but I still want you to take a picture of it. Again, I will see your results regardless. I will always see it, but I want you to take a picture of your grade, okay? Very good, Dorcia, very good. Chai notes. Terrell, you have to redo your quiz. Okay, so very good, Lamaya. Okay, so dun, da, 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 da. Okay, this is a very good question. I want us to do this. I think we can end with this one. This is a very good question. All right. So once you finish with the quiz, you could write what I have on the screen. It's going to be our final question for this evening. I think it might run us into all evening. It might. We'll see. See how it goes. If not, then we might get to one more. Very good, Daria. Very good, Lakesia. Very good, Dorcia. Very good, Mikel. Very good, Cristiano. Courtney Rame, please redo your quiz. Patrick, I don't see you do the quiz, and I don't see the other links that I sent you. You have to also do them, Patrick. All right. Okay, so this is the first question. Let me all right, the shed, and then finally the area. Yeah, let's just do this. So, and then, yeah, let's do this. So I need someone to go ahead and read it. So I'm gonna ask, wait, this probably might be too high for y'all. I probably might not be able to see. So, okay, so I want everyone to, we're gonna do this question. Let's go with Sharani. Sharani, can you read this question?
The diagram below shows the dimension of a triangle piece of property and a rectangular shed. Calculate the area of the property, the shed, and the property around the shed.
Very good. Very good. And Nikel, can you read the question for me, please?
Which question, Mr. Petit?
What I have on the screen.
The diagram below shows the
dimension
dimension of a triangular piece of property and a regular shed.
Continue.
Not drawn to scale.
The whole thing, the whole thing.
Calculate the area of the property, the shed, the property around the shed.
Very good. Nalia, read the question for me, please.
The diagram below shows the dimension of a triangular piece of property and a rectangular shed. Calculate the area of the property.
Continue.
2i the shed, and then 3i the property around the shed.
Very good. Very
The
good.
diagram below shows the
Travis, want to read for us? You could read it. Go ahead. You already have your mic open.
the diagram below shows the
dimension
of a
triangular piece of property
and a rectangular shed. Not drawn to scale. Calculate the area of the property, the property around the shed.
Very good. So what we want to do is we want to calculate the area of the property. Class, what is the shape of the property? What is the shape of the property? Let's start with number one.
A square?
No, the shape of the property. The shape of the
triangle.
Property. Very good. Very good. The property is a triangle. So if they say they want the shape of the property, that means that they want this shape. So they want the shape of the triangle. They want the area though of the shape of the triangle. All right. That's what they want. All right. So property, right? So okay, good. So what is the area of the property? The formula that we're gonna use. So area is gonna be equal to what?
Base times height
Very
divided by
good.
2.
Very good. Why are we using base times height divided by 2?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Because that's the formula for the rectangle.
Close. That's the formula for the triangle, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good. Good. What happened?
Yes,
Why
sir.
when y'all see past paper questions, y'all just freeze up? Come on. It's like when
It
y'all
is
see
look
But they're
different.
past paper.
every moment y'all see past paper questions, like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Sympathy, we don't know what to do. Sympathy. It's
That's
literally would be the
flashback.
It
flashback.
is look different from what you'll be teaching.
It look different. It's the same concept, right? That's why we go over it, right? So when we say the property, they said right there, the property is a triangle. So there's a triangle, right? And we want to find the area of the property. And we know the property is a triangle, so we're going to use that formula. So area is base times height over 2. All right. What is the base in this question? The base is what?
26.
Yeah, the base is 26. 26 meters. The base is 26 meters. What is the height? The height is?
Excuse me, T.
Uh-huh.
We writing this?
Yes, you're writing this down. Yeah, you're supposed to already have this written. So the base is
13.
26. The base is 26. All right. And like she said, the height is 13. Right, so the height is 13.
So we have to times it by 26 times 13.
Yeah, you have to multiply them. So we have 26 multiplied by,
Go to 20.
yeah, 26 multiplied by 13. Y'all can multiply those 2-digit numbers all over 2. So it's gonna be equal to, let's multiply those 2-digit numbers. So we have 26 multiplied by 13, which gives us what? Wait, let me do it on the right, on the proper side, so you wouldn't think it's for something different. So let's put it on this side. So we have 26 multiplied by 13. It's very easy because what is 3 times 6? Let me put this in the right color. Let me put this.
Oh, I get it now.
You get it now?
It's 3 to 18.
Let me put it in the like so it stays so.
So you put the 8, you carry the 1.
Yeah. So 26 multiplied by 13. 3 times 6 is what?
18.
18. Put the 8 down. Put the 1
Carry
up.
the 1.
3 times 2 is what?
6.
6 plus 1 is?
7.
7. Very good. Good. Put a 0 down. 1 times 6 is what?
6.
6. 1 times 2 is?
2.
2. Very good. Add them together. 8 plus 0 is? 8. 7 plus 6 is? 13.
13.
2 plus 1 is? 3.
3.
So it's gonna be what? 338 meters, right? Let me put
meters
this in.
squared.
Meters squared. Very good. So let's put this in red. So 338, right? Meters squared. And that's our answer. So again, it's 338 meters squared. Make sense? Let me know if that makes sense to you. Okay? So that's the area of the property, the triangular property. All right.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
And we still got it divided by 2?
I didn't divide it by 2? Oh, that's right. I got divided by 2. Thank you for that. So let's divide it by 2. I got ahead of myself. So divided by 2, we have what?
169.
169? 338 divided by 2. Yeah, 169.
169.
Yeah, 169. And I could show you all the division, so let's show the division. So we say 2 into
That's the same.
338. How many times does 2 go into 3? Once. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down the 3. How many times does 2 go into 13? 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring down the 8. How many times does 2 go into 18? 9 times?
9.
Yeah. 18.
9 times.
18 minus 18 is
0.
0. Okay. So it's 169.
169 meters squared.
Meters squared. Very good. And that's how we got it. So that's the area of the triangular property. Any questions on how I got that? Let me know, please. Let me know. Let me know. Any questions? Let me know, please. Okay, so
No, sir.
good. All right, so next we have so now we need to figure out what's going to be the area of the shed. Now, what is the shape of the shed?
A rectangular box.
A rectangle.
That's
Very
right.
good. Yeah. So it says right there that it's a rectangular shed. Right there. It's a rectangular shed. So
area of rectangle.
yes, we're gonna use that. Right? So ISIS, where's ISIS? So area, where's ISIS? So area of rectangle. Can't have from ISIS, so let's go with Malia Lockhart. Malia Lockhart. Malia Lockhart, can you hear me? How about Nikel Gardner? Can you hear me? Nikel,
Pardon me, sir.
can you hear me?
My Wi-Fi dipping out, but I could what you said.
I'm asking, what's the shape of the shed? What's the shape of the shed?
Rectangle.
Very good, it's rectangle. And Merrick Parker.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What's the shape of the shed?
The shape of the shed is rectangle.
Very good. What's the formula for rectangle?
Width times length.
Very good, length times width. Very good. Class, what is the length of the rectangle?
Nine.
9.
The length.
15 meters.
Thank you. The length is 15 meters. Because the length is the
Greater number.
Longer side.
longer side. And what is the width in this question?
9 meters.
9 meters, very good. So the area, therefore, is going to be equal to 15 times 9 is what?
135.
135.
Meters.
Right? Yeah, so let's multiply it. So 15 multiplied by 9 We have 5 times 9 is what?
45.
45. Put the 5 down, put the 1 up. Put the 5 down, put the 4 up. 9 times 1 is
9.
9 plus 4. 13, right?
13.
Gives you 13. 13.
13, so 135. So it's going to be 135. 135 what? Meters squared.
Squared.
Yeah. So the answer is going to be 135 meters squared.
We
Okay.
don't, we, hold on. We don't divide it?
No, this is for the the rectangle. Rectangles we don't divide. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. Good question. So that's that. So now what they want is they want the area of the property around the shed.
34 meters squared.
How you got that?
Subtracting.
Subtract? Why did you subtract?
Pardon?
Why did you subtract?
Because this is the property around the shed.
Say it again.
It's the property around the shed.
Very good. She's absolutely correct. Did anyone else subtract for this one? So
Yes, sir.
good. They say they want the area of the property around the shed. So they're referring to the area of what? The shaded region, right? That's what they want. This area. The area of the property around the shed. So if we want the area of the property around the shed, we have to subtract, right? So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be, we'll keep this. So it's gonna be 169. So area. It's gonna be equal to, let's write the word area. So the area is gonna be equal to, so we're gonna subtract, right? So we're gonna say 169 meters squared minus 135 meters squared. And that's gonna give us the area of the shaded region, or the area of the property around the shed. So it's gonna be 169 minus 135 meters squared. And when we subtract it, which y'all get when y'all subtract 169 minus what?
34.
34.
34 meters
Very
squared.
good. We get 34 meters squared. 34 meters squared. All right. 34 meters squared.
34 meters squared.
Very good. We have 34 meters squared. So this is going to be 34 meters squared. All right. Are we good? Let me know if y'all get this.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
All right.
Good. All right. So what we have now is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now give you one more question. So this one says that we need to figure out what is the questions. So that's an interesting question, right? So this is the last one, last bit. So it says that so I want you all to read this question. Go ahead, Sharonik, read part B for me, please.
Grass is sold for $2.25 per square meter. Calculate the cost to cover the property around the shed with grass.
Very good. Read it one more time.
Grass is sold for $2.25 per square meter. Calculate the cost to cover the property around the shed with grass.
Very good. Rashadne, read part B for me, please. Rashadne.
Grass is sold for
We can't hear you. Very.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Grass is sold for $2.25 per square meter. Calculate the cost to cover the property around the shed with grass.
Very good. And Livingston, read part B for me, please.
Grass is sold for $2.25 per square meter. Calculate the cost to cover the property around the shed with grass.
Very good. So anyone want to try answering that? Anyone think they could
By adding the answer we got from the last question with this question.
no. So this one is talking about like, so here, right? We wanna lay grass over this area, right? This is the area we wanna lay grass over, right? But what is the amount of area that this takes that this space is?
34.
34 meters square, right? So this area in the red where we want the grass to be, this is 34 meters squared, or 34 square meters. So if we know that the grass is sold for $2.25 per square meter, that means for one square meter, it's $2.25. But we have 34 square meters. So how much is going to be the cost? Or what's going to be the cost?
Are we multiplying?
Multiplying what?
34
34
and
and
25.
$2.25.
$2 and
$25.
very good, very good, very good. So we have to multiply it. So we say $2.25. So $2.25 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 34, right? It's gonna be equal to what? So $2.25 multiplied by 34 is gonna be equal to what?
$76.50.
When you multiply, what do I get? 225 multiplied by 34. Yeah, $76.50. So that's gonna be the cost for this, $76.50. That's gonna be the cost of the grass to lay it all around the shed. So $76.50. $76.50. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that part makes sense to y'all, or how we got that. Let me know if that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Tyler, does that make sense? Livingston, Acacia, Lamaya, does that make sense to you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kelvin, Gordon, does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that makes sense. That makes sense to you?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So what I want y'all to do is take a picture of this and send them via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp, and we can move on from this. Again, take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, everyone. All right. Let's do one more question and then we'll be done with maths. So, but before we do that, where's Lamaya? Lamaya? Where's
Yes,
Lamaya?
sir.
Do you understand how we got these answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want you to explain, start from A to B, and I want you to explain how we got to start from the first one. Okay.
From A. Okay, for the property of the area, you have to do base times height and you divide it by 2. So the base is the 26 times the 13 over equals 328 meters squared over 2 equals 169 when you divide.
Yes.
And then B.
Else,
B is
no, do here. Do here.
okay.
Yeah.
The area of the shed, so you do the length times width to get the area, which is 15 times 9, and then you get 135 meters squared. And then the property around the shed is the area of the answer you get for A and answer for the second one minus them, and you get 34 meters squared for the property around the shed.
Good.
And then okay, cost covered property around the shed. You do hold on. Wait.
You understand this one?
Not a lot.
Okay.
I can't remember about it.
So with this one, we know that each square meter costs us $2.25, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how much for each square meter. But how many square meters we have? Based on that,
34.
we have 34. So if you want to figure out how much it will cost to put grass over the entire area of this region around the shed, we have to multiply. That's what we did there. So we multiplied the 225 we got for 1 square meter times the amount of square meters that we have. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, I have you read what I put inside the chat?
Oh, yes, I did. I got you. And so we have 225 multiplied by 34. That makes, and I give us $76.50.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Where's Daria? Daria? Can't have Daria. Let's go with Nikisha Williams. Nikisha Williams, can you hear me? That's Nikisha. Can't have Nikisha. So let's go with Latavia. Where's Latavia? Where's Latavia? Where's Latavia? Ayana from Latavia. So let's go with Tyler. Tyler, can you hear me? Is
Yes,
Latavia?
sir. Hello?
Yes, Latavia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain how we got these answers? Start from A.
For A, you have to find the area. For the area, you have to do base times height divided by 2. The base is 26 meters times 12 meters over 2.
Mm-hmm.
And 26 meters times 13 meters is 338 meters squared. Divided by 2 is 169.
Mm-hmm. Next one.
The area of a triangle is length. A square is length times width. And the length is 15 meters and the width is 9 meters. And 15 times 9 is 135 meters squared.
Very good. Next one.
And then you have to find the property around the shed, and that's 169 meters squared minus 135 meters squared, and that equals to 34 meters squared.
Very good. And B.
We have to do $2.25 times 35, and that equals to 76.50.
Very good. Why did we multiply it? You know why we multiply it?
No, sir.
No. So they said that for one grass, they said that if you want to get one grass per square meter, for 1 square meter of grass, it costs us $2.25. That's for 1 square meter of grass, right? But the area that we want to cover, how many square meters is that, Latavia? The area that we want to cover, how many square meters is that? It's the same area right there that we want to cover. How many square meters is that? That's this, right?
34.
34, right? And how much is for 1 square meter?
2.25.
$2.25. Make sense? So let me ask you again. How much is
Yes,
for
sir.
1 square meter?
$2.25.
Very good. And how many square meters do we have that we need to cover?
34.
34. That's the amount of square meters that we want to cover. So what we have to do in order to get our answer, to figure out the cost, what we have to do? We have to do what?
Multiply.
Multiply. Very good. So we have to do 225 multiplied by 34, and that's how we get 76.50. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, good. All right. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Once you finish with that, then you can leave. By the way, I'm gonna end class early tonight because I have to leave early. So once you finish your work, you can leave, and I'll see you all on next week. Again, we end class early tonight because I really have to leave. But we'll come back.
But can you just send the snapshot for social? But can you just send me the snapshot for social studies and religious knowledge?
I will do that. I'll send you the snapshot. All right.
If you're doing
But we have no.
social studies.
No, we ain't doing that
See you
tonight.
next week.
We ain't doing it tonight. We could catch up on it next week. All right.
Good night.
So once you finish sending your work, you
Good
can
night.
leave, and
Good
I'll see you all
night.
on next week.
Good night. Thank you.
No problem. Take care.
Good night.
Take care.